Hello everyone, in today's art and craft class, we will learn how to draw a Varli art. Varli art is basically a tribal art which was practiced by the Adivasi from North Sahyadri range in India, or you can say in the region of Dahanu, Talasri, Java, etc. It is an ancient tribal art, or you can say a folk art also of ancient Indian art, and we will learn how to draw it. It was generally practiced by the household ladies to decorate their homes, and they were used to paint some festivals, instruments, dancing figures, and daily house life of their people. First, I am making the border of the sheet. I am taking here a lemon yellow sheet of pastel paper. You can use any color, a lighter one. Try to use a light color. And I am making first a border with the green marker to give it a nice contrast. And we will make our painting in the horizontal way. See, green is looking so good on the yellow one. So you can match your color. Let's take the center of the sheet. How to take a center? I'm folding it, just the help of finger, pressing this part, not the whole sheet. And then similarly here, and you will get your center. Next, we required a pencil and compass. What we're going to make first? We're going to make 5 circles first. The center one going to be a bit bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's start it. Starting from the inside one. Then open your compass with the same center and the second one. Then third. The second, third and fourth circle should be same in size. And the last one you can take a bit smaller. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we require a pencil and scale. I'm making a straight vertical line from the same center, and I'm not using my pencil very dark. Similarly, a horizontal line. With the same center. Then diagonals then again you have to divide them. Make sure you're dividing them into equal two parts. I got a bit wrong one. Take the same center, like this. Now we're going to make our figures. Take an eraser and just erase the center circle. We don't require any line in between them. Try to use your pencil very lightly so that you can erase it easily. In the center we're going to make a figure. Head, one triangle like this and one like this, and then the legs, hands, hairs. This is the type of art which was made by our ancient people. Tribal art, you can say. Tribal people were used to make it, and it is a kind of instrument. The figure is playing over here. And the neck. Similarly, same kind of figures we're going to make on the each line we have made. We will start with the head circle. Just count how many I am getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 I have. 8 this side and 8 this side. So let's make the body in the similar way. 1, opposite triangle and 1 straight triangle. It will be their neck and the bun and some design in the hair and the legs like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to make the same size, same type of figures in every line. Make sure the size should be same of everyone. You can make it first with a pencil and then you can outline. I'm outlining it directly over here. I'm taking a black marker. Neck. The center figure. I'm only doing the head, body and the legs, and hand also I will do. You can make it like the X also. Make sure don't let it go out of the lines, the circles. And take care of the size also. They all should be same size. So similarly you have to fill and draw all of them, 16 girls. So after completing it, it will look like this. Now we will move to the hands. We will match our hands here in the 1, 2, 3, third circle. In the center you can make a small dot. So that you will get it accurately in the center. Let's see how to make the hands. Here, you have to make an X-like shape. Similarly, you have to fill the whole hands. So after completing the hands of all girls, it will look like this. Then we will make the center one hands. and the instrument she is holding. To balance the center one circle, I am adding one more instrument behind her. Just to balance it. In the side areas 4, I'm adding 4 more figures. Some dancing and some musicians. It's a musician I'm making here. Again a musician. And a dancer. So Varley art is ready here. In the end, you can take an eraser and erase the pencil work. So after erasing the pencil, you will get your Varley artist ready. And it will look like this. Make it accurately with the black markers. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you again soon. Bye bye.